Hello students, in your previous video, we have started with a polynomials chapter. Yes, we have seen what is the definition of polynomial, then types of polynomials, okay, and then what we have seen is here zeros of the polynomials. So in this video, we are going to see division of polynomials, okay. So long division of polynomials, it is similar to long division of your whole numbers. That means if you divide your 36 by 5, suppose if I am dividing 36 by 5, what will you get? 5 sevens are 35, I write. Remainder is what? 1. I subtract and the remainder is 1. And the same thing I can write it as what? Dividend. Dividend is what? This is called as the dividend is equal to quotient is 7 into the divisor is 5 and plus the remainder. Okay, the same thing we'll be doing in case of the polynomials. Okay, so let's start the division of polynomials and listen to this video because it is very important video. Okay, the same thing it will be there in your 10th standard. It is useful for you, and this is main video so that it will be means it should be very clear to you, because most of the students have doubt in this part, long division of the polynomials. Okay, so let's start with a division of polynomials. See the first question, it is divide x plus 3x square minus 1 by 1 plus x. Now the first step what you have to do is, whatever the question will be given for division of polynomials, first see whether both the polynomials, your divisor as well as the dividend, are in standard form or not. Standard form in the sense, it should be written in your descending order of that your degree of that given polynomial. Okay, that means your greatest power of your variable should be first, and then it will be written as in your decreasing order. Okay, and if in between, if any term is not present, it should be written as 0 into that term. Okay, that will be seen. So before that, we'll just see what is the question. It is x plus 3x square minus 1. I have to divide it by 1 plus x. So what should be done is, see whether it is in standard form. Your highest exponent or the highest power of the variable should be written first. So which is the first? It should be written what? It should be 3x square. After 2, which number should be there? Decreasing order, that means 2, 1, 0. Okay, so it should be then plus x raised to 1 and minus 1. You should write the terms along with the sign. Just don't write that coefficients. Along with the sign you should write. Okay. Similarly, 1 plus x, what will be the standard form? X plus 1 will be the standard form. Hope this part it is clear. Your first thing is to do what? Arrange all the terms in standard form. Okay, that means the power of your variable should be in decreasing order. The highest one should be at the first and then write in the decreasing order. So that is what it is written here. 3x square plus x minus 1, you are going to divide it by x plus 1. Now the next step, what you have to do is, see this is my 3x square. That is the highest term, means the term with the highest power is 3x square. Now in divisor, which is the term with the highest power? It is x. So what you should do is, these two terms I have to divide. So 3x square by x. X and x will get cancelled. So will I get only 3x? Okay. When I divide 3x square by x, I will be getting just 3x. So this 3x should be written here. Okay. So this, whatever the answer you will be getting, this should be done as a rough work. Okay. your working column it is, so that can be done towards your right hand side. You can have a margin for that, for the working column. Okay, so whatever I'll be getting here, that should be written at the top. This is the thing. After that, what you should do is, this 3x should be multiplied with x plus 1. That means it should be 3x into x plus 1. So what will I get? 3x into x, it is what? 3x square, plus 3x into 1, it is what? 3x. Clear? So below the like terms, you should write the given this polynomial. So 3x square should be written below the like term of x square. So 3x square. This 3x should be written below this term x. Okay, the like terms should be written below each other. Clear? This step it is clear. Okay. Next, what it is to be done is, see, whenever if you divide, if it is 36 divided by 5, what you do, 7s are 35, then what you do it as subtraction, because division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Okay, the same thing we have to do it here. I have to subtract this. Whenever you have to give a subtraction, that time just change the sign. This no sign means it is plus, so plus becomes minus. Again this plus, it becomes minus. So always remember that the next step should be change in your signs. Plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. Okay, so this I have written 3, it becomes minus, plus 3, again it becomes minus, and then have your usual subtraction. So 3x square minus 3x square. Now you have to consider the signs which I have marked with that red color. Okay, so 3x square minus 3x square, it is 0, so that will be cancelled. Then it is x minus 3x. Okay, like terms should be subtracted, or whatever the operation it is, that should be done. So x minus 3x, signs are opposite, so it should be subtraction. So 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2. So I'll be getting it as minus 2x. Is that clear? Okay. After that, what you should do is, the next term, that is minus 1, should be written as a next term. So minus 2x minus 1 will be my polynomial. Okay. After that, the same method what you have done. Just check whether I can do the division only when this degree of this polynomial is either equal to the degree of the divisor, or it is greater than the degree of that divisor. Okay, so here it is what? Minus 2x, degree is what? 1, and here it is what? X plus 1, my degree is what? 1. Okay, so again I can divide it. So it will be just, I have to write it as this term divide by your this, so that I can get the coefficient. So will I get it as minus 2? Okay, so that minus 2 should be written it here. See whether is this step clear. Okay, now what is the next step? This minus 2 should be multiplied with this bracket. So minus 2 into x plus 1. So what will I get? It is minus 2x, minus into plus, again minus 2. So write the terms minus 2x minus 2 below the like terms, so that it is written here. After that, what is the next step? Change the sign, because we are subtracting. So minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. Okay. Now whether minus 2x and plus 2x, it will be cancelled. Minus 1 plus 2, it will be what? Both the signs are different, so it will be subtraction and greater number sign will be there. So minus 1 plus 2, you will get it as, it will be plus 1. Okay, now see whether can I divide that 1 by x plus 1. No. Why? Because degree of 1 is what? It is 1 into x raised to 0. Okay, so degree of that 1 is what? 0. And degree of x plus 1 is what? 1. That means degree of this is less than the degree of the divisor. And hence I have to stop the process. Okay. So 1 is the remainder and 3x minus 2 is the quotient. Okay. See whether the question is clear how we have done. Okay. Now we'll see the next question. It is divide 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 by x square minus 2. Okay. What is the first step? Check whether every term of your dividend and divisor are in standard form. Standard form means your degree, that means the exponent, it should be in what? Decreasing order. Highest first and then it will be decreasing. So in the first polynomial, it is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Right? 2 means it is what? For constant, it is x, 2 into x raised to 0. So no term, it is again missing. Okay. And here it is x square minus 2. Yeah, it is in decreasing order, but x square minus 2, I can write it as x square minus 0x or plus 0x. You can write x square plus 0x minus 2. Since 0 does not have any sign, you can write either minus 0x or plus 0x. But we'll be writing it as what? Plus 0x. Since x term is not there, 0 into x I'll be writing. It is not compulsion that you have to write that 0x. Okay? But since it is the first question, I will be showing so that it won't be, means you will not make the mistakes. Okay? So if in the notes, if I'm not writing the 0x, no problem. Okay? It is just to make you understand. Clear? So here it becomes x square plus 0x minus 2. Now what is our step? What we should do is, here which is your highest term? Okay, the first term it is here 2x raised to 4. Again here which is your first term? X square. So what should be the next step? Divide your 2x raised to 4 by x square. Okay. So what will I get here? X raised to 4 x square. It will be just 2x square. So that 2x square should be written at here. Okay. And then what is the next step? What we do? We do it as this 2x square should be multiplied with this bracket. So x square plus 0x minus 2. So I'll be getting it as 2x square into x square. It is 2x raised to 4. X square into x square. A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So x square into x square, it is x raised to 4 plus 0 into this, it will be 0 itself, minus it will be 4x square. So the terms should be written here, okay, according to the like terms. And after that, just change the signs. Minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. So this becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, and minus becomes plus. Okay. So can I say this will be 0? Because 2x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4. So that will be cancelled. Then minus 3x cube plus 0 into x cube. So what will I get? Minus 3 plus 0. It will be what? Minus 3x cube itself. Okay. And then minus 3x square plus 4x square. Minus 3 plus 4. So it will be plus x square. Okay. So this you will be getting. Next, what should be the step? The next element should be taken down. So 6x I have taken it down. Now again check whether this first term and this first term, can I divide it? Yes, your division can be performed because its power is greater than the power of the divisor. Okay? So what again we have to do, that 3x cube should be divided by x square. I'll be getting it as minus 3x. So that minus 3x should be written at here, and now multiply that minus 3x to every term. Okay, so it will be what, minus 3x into x square, it is what, minus 3x cube. Minus 3 into 0, it is 0. X into x, it is what, x square. Okay, so that term should be written below x square. Then minus 3x into minus 2. Minus into minus plus. So it is plus 6x. After that, our usual method is to change the sign. So minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, and again plus becomes minus. So here I'll be having it as minus 3x cube plus 3x cube. That will be cancelled. X square minus 0x square, again it will be just x square. 6x minus 6x, it is 0. Okay, so 0x I can write, and minus 2 I can take it down. Now here again x square, and here again it is x square. Okay, so can I divide? Yes, degree of this polynomial is equal to degree of your divisor. That means I can divide. Okay, so it should be what? X square divided by x square. We'll be getting the answer as 1. So it should be written here plus 1. That plus 1 should be multiplied to each term, and that should be written it here. Okay, so I'll be getting 1 into x square is 1x square. 1 into 0x, it is 0x. And plus 1 into minus 2, it is minus 2. So after that, what to do? Change the sign. Okay, so x square minus x square will get cancelled. 0 minus 0 also will get cancelled. Minus 2 plus 2, again that also will be cancelled. That means whether my 0 is the remainder and 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is the quotient. Okay, hope this is clear to you. Okay, some more examples we'll be seeing in the next video.